Imagine owning a tiny home on wheels for less than the price of many used cars. Sounds impossible, right? Well, today we're looking at Kevin Cyr's incredible camper tricycle, a one-of-a-kind mobile home concept that has captured the imagination of people all over the world. And if a vehicle like this could be built for around $15,000, it might completely change the way many people think about affordable travel and minimalist living. At first glance, it looks like a regular bicycle pulling a small trailer. But as you get closer, you realize this is something entirely different. Behind the tricycle sits a compact camper designed to provide a cozy place to sleep, relax, and even escape from the busy world. It's tiny, simple, and surprisingly charming. Kevin Cyr is an artist known for transforming ordinary bicycles into extraordinary moving homes. His camper tricycle isn't just transportation. It's a work of art that encourages people to rethink freedom, creativity, and how little space we actually need to feel comfortable. One of the biggest attractions is its affordability. Imagine spending around $15,000 instead of hundreds of thousands on an RV. While this camper doesn't offer luxury features like large kitchens or spacious bathrooms, it provides exactly what many adventurers need: shelter, mobility, and a unique lifestyle that turns heads everywhere it goes. The camper itself is incredibly compact but cleverly designed. Every inch of space serves a purpose. Inside, there's enough room to rest, organize personal belongings, and enjoy a peaceful break after a long ride. It's a reminder that smart design often matters more than size. Now imagine riding through quiet streets, scenic parks, or beautiful countryside while people stop and smile as you pass. That's exactly the kind of attention Kevin Cyr's camper tricycle attracts. It's impossible to ignore because there's simply nothing else quite like it. Another reason this concept has become so popular online is its environmental friendliness. Unlike large motorhomes that consume fuel, this tricycle relies mainly on pedal power. Some modern versions could even include electric pedal assistance, making longer trips much easier while still remaining energy efficient. Of course, this isn't designed for luxury camping. You won't find massive entertainment systems or king-sized beds. Instead, it focuses on simplicity, creativity, and enjoying life's small moments. For many people, that's actually the biggest luxury of all. Think about weekend adventures without expensive hotel bookings. Think about exploring nearby towns, lakes, forests, or beaches while carrying your tiny home behind you. Every destination becomes a place where you already have your own private shelter waiting. Social media has also helped make this camper famous. Every time photos or videos appear online, viewers immediately ask the same questions. Can I buy one? How much does it cost? Where can I get one? That's because people are fascinated by creative solutions that combine transportation, art, and affordable living. While Kevin Cyr's original camper tricycle was created as an artistic project rather than a mass-produced RV, it has inspired countless DIY builders and tiny home enthusiasts around the world. Many dream of creating similar campers that are lightweight, affordable, and practical for everyday adventures. As housing costs continue to rise, concepts like this become even more interesting. They remind us that freedom doesn't always require a huge mortgage or an expensive motorhome. Sometimes all it takes is a little creativity, smart design, and the courage to live differently. So what do you think? Would you travel across your city, or even your country, in a $15,000 camper tricycle like this? Or would you customize it with solar panels, better storage, or an electric assist motor? Let everyone know your ideas in the comments below, because we'd love to hear how you'd build your dream tiny camper. If you enjoyed discovering this amazing Kevin